I posted a video on my channel showing how to build a birdhouse, and someone left a comment saying how to make a birdhouse with $2,500 worth of tools. So that made me realize that some people believe that you need thousands of dollars worth of tools to get into woodworking. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get affordable tools to get started on your woodworking journey. If you're new here, my name is Romario and this is Build with Romario. I show you guys how to build creative wood projects, how to use resin, just different creative woodworking tips, and also how to make some money on the side using this beautiful skill. But again, in this video, I'll show you guys how to go about getting your tools, beginner's tools, and I'll also walk you through just a beginner's tools list that I've created and I have in the link down below for free. It's just a list that I created for you guys to just use as a guide. Let's jump right into it. Okay guys, so in the guide, what I went ahead and do is add links to each product, and you can get to it by just clicking the image. Each of these links would lead you to an Amazon page. It's just for reference, for one, the price, and two, convenience, in case you do want to get your either your PPE or a tool from Amazon. But that's not how I'm going to show you guys where to get the affordable tools. These are at market value, of course. We're going to go and use Facebook Marketplace and get used tools, which will be probably the same not same quality, but it will be of great caliber for you to start your projects and build towards buying new tools if that's what you choose to do. It will be as durable as a new one, I would say, because it could last you a long time. So back to the guide. First page will just be the PPE. You can get it from Home Depot, you can get it from Lowe's. Again, this is just a guide to show you some basic things that you would need to get started. Next page is the hand tools. You can use the same method I'll show you for the power tools on Facebook Marketplace, or you can get this from Amazon using the links, or from Home Depot or Lowe's, any hardware store. Now we're in the power tools. Let's jump over to Facebook Marketplace. So again, the comment said that I practically have $2,500 worth of tools, which could be true because I do have a CNC machine, but the stuff I show you guys how to make is not necessarily with a CNC machine. I probably do plan to make for some videos showing the use of my CNC machine, but again, for the birdhouse, it was just a matter of using my table saw, my miter saw, and air compressor, which is on the screen right now. So what I do is basically go into Facebook Marketplace and look for whatever item I'm looking for, such as an air compressor. Alright, you could type for sale or just type it in and it will come up your options. Click into it and all you gotta do is message the buyer and you can negotiate the price. That's the biggest part of this. Of course, when I'm showing to you, everyone or most people go on Facebook Marketplace, right? If you don't, well, it's a beautiful place to get some affordable items. Anything that you want, you could just look it up. More times than not, it will be there for an affordable price, discounted price, and you can go in and negotiate with the seller. Sometimes they are strict with their price, but it's not just one person selling the same thing online. So you might have to go through a few people before you get the deal that you're looking for. Okay, let's go to a cordless drill. Alright, and I'm just showing you multiple things just so you know that it's not just one item that I'm reviewing, and it's actually across the board. So let's just say a power tool, a drill. These drills that you see right here, that's $60, was $70 listed. It's probably $110 normally. Right here, it's brand new, brand new. Sometimes you just gotta pay attention to the seller as well. Not everyone is gonna be honest. Not everyone has best interests at heart. So the other tip I would just say is when you do go to meet the seller, if it's a plug-in tool, just make sure that you could probably be close to a place that has an outlet so you can test the tool or the power tool. You know, if it's a jigsaw that we're looking at, find a place that's close by. If it's corded, plug it in, make sure it works. Okay, not everyone is truthful. For the cordless drill, $50. Well, $60, you can negotiate it down to $50. That was just that specific one. You don't need DeWalt, you don't need the best name brands. You know, there's Milwaukee, $55. That's a good price. The Ryobi, that could get you started, $50. You can negotiate it to $40. Going down here, $20. Another set, no batteries. Okay, batteries is another thing. See if you can get the batteries along with the screw gun, because batteries do cost a bit. So if you can get it on Facebook Marketplace for a good price as well, that would be perfect. And try to get the same brand so you can share the battery in case you just want to go with one battery for right now. $99 for this set with the charger, battery, and the screw gun. Again, you don't have to go for the name brands, but if you want to get good quality, then yes, go with the name brands for a good price on Facebook Marketplace. Let's move over to an orbital sander. Get it for $25 versus $60 or so in the store. Let's click the link that I have here, take me to Amazon. Going price is $56 for this specific one. Right now it's on sale for $40. On Facebook Marketplace, we can get it for $25. That's just one of them, of course. $30, negotiate the price if you think you could get it for lower. Sometimes you could just try your luck. Even if you see it's a low price already, $30, message them, hey, can you do $25? Can you do $20? Sometimes they say yes. Some people are just trying to get the item off their hands. You never know. You never know. And again, the whole point of this is to get it at a discounted price. So the less that you pay, better for you. More money in your pocket for another tool. Of course, with an orbital sander, you'll need sanding disc. Well, sander pads. Okay. Let's see. $10 for 75. Of course, there's different grits. So if anything, you can get a multi-pack. I just click the link in the guide. Get a multi-pack from Amazon. $10 here, and you have the 72 pack. So some things are worth getting it from on Amazon or Home Depot, Lowe's, and some are worth getting it on Facebook Marketplace just because it's a higher price point in the big box stores. Just going to show you one more thing because I believe that you get the gist. Let's go to a miter saw. See how much it costs on Amazon. It's $119, right? On Amazon. For this specific one, $70 on Facebook Marketplace. $70, $50, $90, $50. Again, Facebook Marketplace has what you need when it comes to starting up your woodworking journey. So utilize it. Go in there, look for what you want. You can use the guide. You can Google what are some basic tools to get started in woodworking. Go into Facebook Marketplace, search for those tools, negotiate your price. Okay, get the average cost for the item that you're looking for amongst different buyers, and then drop it $10, drop it for $20 or more, but be reasonable. Of course, they're trying to make money as well, but I'm trying to help you, specifically the buyer. Reach out to them, try to get a good negotiated price, and start your woodworking journey for under $300, not $1,000 plus. Hope you find this video useful. Comment below if it has. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you have any questions on the guide, feel free to ask me anything. It's free, downloadable on Gumroad. And if you have any ideas that you would like to see built or need help with, please leave a comment down below. I look forward to building some more beautiful projects with you guys. Okay, until then, stay positive and I'll see you on the next one.